Hello to everyone. Guys, I was thinking, you have seen so many of my videos already. You might remember my name, but if still not, it's me again, Josephine Jackson. What usually people do on a weekend? Today, Saturday, most of you probably will stay at home, spend some time with their family, relax, have a rest, and so on. But it's totally not about me. Today, I decided to keep being active as always after a hard work week, and probably most of you will answer, oh, there is nothing special in yoga. I would think the same, but if you would heard techno yoga, what you would think then? I was so curious when I was heard in techno yoga how they can combine these two definitions. Yoga is something where you concentrating, relaxing, and thinking about everything about your body. Like concentration is the first main thing, and techno is completely the opposite thing. You are jumping, you're dancing, you're doing a lot of crazy things. So how would they combine techno and yoga? I propose to visit this place right now and find out. Let's go. So guys, how did you like that experience? Honestly, that was not what I expected. That was of course fun. I received a lot of emotions. I spent a lot of energy, and of course I received a lot of energy too. This techno yoga is like you are doing yoga following the rhythm of techno music, huh? Sounds very interesting. So I love it, and I recommend all of you to try that at least once in your life. You will be very impressed. Thank you for being active together with me. Thank you for watching my video, guys. And tell me if you would like to try this techno yoga next time with me. See ya!